Yes guys, welcome back to another day in the life in Miami. So, we're at this car meet today and show you around. Alright guys, we'll do a quick trade breakdown from this week. I always like to start on the daily time frame, right? Figure out the bias. What is the draw liquidity? And figure out where price is going, right? So the daily time frame's the best. I use imbalances to figure out bias. So if we're inside of a bullish fair value gap, for example, you're going to be bullish, right? If we're inside of a bearish gap, you're going to be bearish. This trade was on Tuesday, 6th of January, so there wasn't really much of a bias, right? If we look at ES, actually respecting this bullish fair value gap. Alright, whereas NQ, we had disrespected it. Since ES is the cleaner asset, we're going to pay attention to ES. Okay, so add more the bullish bias, so that was the target in the daily time frame, let's jump to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour time frame again, come up, right, with inverse and bearish fair value gap. So what does that tell me, right? Bearish P rates are getting disrespected, bullish P rates are getting respected. That's bullish order flow, we're going to have a bullish bias. We're disrespecting every single bearish fair value gap and respecting bullish fair value gaps, right? So overall bias is bullish. However, jumping into the 15-minute time frame, we swept previous daily high, we also swept London highs, we've also swept Asia highs. So going into the morning, I'm going to be leaning towards shorts. If we get an opportunity to go short, we might take a short. We find discount and premium, right? If you're going short, go short and premium and target a discount. Where are we going to target? We're going to target internal liquidity down here, the rest of the discount. That's going to be our first target. And final TP will be at this external low down here. So, as you may already know, we only trade inside macro times. So, second AM macro from 10:45 to 11:15, and we set the previous daily high. After that, what do you want to see? You want to see a displacement and a shift in market structure in the opposing direction. Once you get that, you'll get a fair value gap, right, which is the entry model. So you can see here on the 1 minute time frame, very small gap, that's our entry point. As soon as price taps into that gap, you go short, stop goes above the swing high, right, and you target first TP, which is that internal liquidity, and then final TP will be down here, right, outside the range. So let's see how this plays out. There you go, first TP smash. So once this low got broken through, we trailed our stops that swing high. Right, reducing risk, rewarding yourself. At this point, we've already closed out 80% of our position, and we're just waiting for the last 20% to hit TP.
That is not your gap, right?
No, it's not right.
Trail stops again to that swing high, right? In a profit. Same exact thing, we got stopped that swing high. And then we got stopped out in a profit, so secured around 84 handles on that trade on Nasdaq, which was a good start to the week. And it wasn't only me that caught this trade, right? All of the one-on-one students caught this exact same trade without any guidance. So guys, I'm gonna leave it with this. If you're someone that's been looking to get your trading to the next level, you've been watching ICT concepts, you've been watching all the videos on YouTube for free, and you're still struggling, you're not seeing the results that you want to see, make sure to check out links in the description, right? Go fill out the application form and apply for one-on-one mentorship. I'm gonna pop up a few screenshots and results on the screen now, showing you every single student, every single person that we've taken on has seen success and has seen results, right? They're taking the exact same trades as myself. With other mentors, you can see that they teach a strategy and the student will end up taking completely different trades to what the mentor's taking, which doesn't make sense at all. If you're trading the exact same strategy, you should be taking the same trades, right? So if you are that someone that's been looking to level up your trading for a while now and you've been sitting on the side, make sure to check out links in the description below. Go apply, get your trading to the next level. Alright, yes guys, just like that, we've spawned in at this shooting range. First time here, I'm gonna shoot some guns. Let's do it. First time putting on these goggles, mate. Got the monster as always, you know. We're addicted, one a day.
Low caffeine before letting it unload.
Stylish.
That boy's ready to close right now.
Ready, mate. Stylish.
They don't close, they're getting blinked.
Closes, mate. Alright, put these on as well, yeah?
Yep.
I look like a fucking geek.
Yeah, you look official, bro.
The mag in like this till it clicks.
Ooh. Mate.
That shit's crazy.
Yeah, let Ben try that shit.
Can I try it?
Go, Ben.
You done?
Alright, so I watched a drunk girl, for context, I watched a drunk girl go like this and just pull this and just hit herself in the face. Just don't do that.
You're supposed to get it on this.
Anywhere. You can get it like into here, like,
Okay.
on top of that. It's like, think of it as like a...
Dude, what is my life come to?
Ben, you're like too tall for that shit. It looks retarded.
Yeah, you spin it out.
No, so look, you can do what's called a spike, which is where you can just spin it and then you get it on the top
Okay.
there.
I think that's too,
You can do a big
too
cut.
complicated for me, man.
You do it right here, you just pull it up,
Okay.
get it right here, and then you can like switch around,
Yeah.
and then you can start just doing crazy shit at some point.
Jesus.
It's just a muscle tendency. Just do it a million times. Oh, try like instead of swinging it, try like.
Okay, mate.
There you go.
I am not scared.
Don't do that, talk this.
Tag me. My husband will be like,
Unstoppable tonight with the seagulls.
Unstoppable, yeah. That's not really my type of seagulls, you know? It's not my type. I'll leave that for Aaron. Aaron's what are you doing that? For what? For what? I've never even been with a black girl.
Latinas only. Latinas only ever.
Okay.
Man, I gotta respect it. You fucking held that.
This shit is too fun. Alright, yes guys, and just like that, we've come towards the end of the vlog. So I hope all of you enjoyed If you did, please make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, share and subscribe. If you guys actually like this content, I will make sure to carry on doing these type of day in the lives every single week. So drop a comment in the comment section down below, let me know. And before I end the video, I'm gonna make a quick announcement. We're currently running a 50% off one-on-one mentorship sale. So if you have been that someone that's been sitting on the sidelines and you've not really been too sure, you've not taken any action for whatever reason, and you've been quite hesitant, now is the chance, right? It's the perfect opportunity, because the last 3 seats that are available, they're gonna be gone, okay? As soon as those 3 people sign up, after that, that is it. I'm closing down mentorships forever. So with that, I've decided to give you lot an opportunity, a 50% off sale, to take advantage of this offer. So if you're looking to get to that next level in trading and you actually want to take this serious as a long-term career path, you're tired of blowing accounts, losing money, and you're just looking for an actual mentor to guide you one-on-one every single week directly with me, okay? One-on-one calls. This is not a Discord or a course, right? It's an actual one-on-one hands-on mentorship. My whole goal in mind when I first started this out was to take on around 15 individuals and then film a YouTube series at the end, just documenting the whole process. So taking someone that's been unprofitable, they've blown accounts, they've lost money, to the stage of getting funded, and then to the stage of receiving their first ever payout, and then finally receiving consistent payouts on a month-to-month basis. So we've pretty much already achieved that, guys. We've taken on 12 students so far, and we only need 3 more people. After that, the goal in mind I had has been achieved. There's no need for me to carry on doing these mentorships, because you have to understand, guys, this takes a lot of energy and effort from my end as well to actually make sure the person I coach becomes profitable, okay? It's a lot of pressure on me as well. It's not something I want to do for the rest of my life, okay? I'm only doing it to grow the YouTube channel, and we're getting very close. We're towards the end now. So 3 last seats, guys. If you really want this, make sure to check out the link in the description and apply for one-on-one mentorship, okay? If you're approved and you're the right fit, you'll be able to schedule a call directly with myself where we can have a chat and get you onboarded ASAP. Other than that, guys, have a great rest of your weekend. I'll catch you lot in the next video. Take it easy.